You're all welcome on the first episode of the Simple Strategies for Beginners. In this video, I'll be teaching you the most common, simplest strategies for beginners. I'll be taking it step by step, bit by bit, how to spot them, how to use them, and with consistency, it will turn you into a pro. Now, one of the most precious thing about this strategy is that it works on all platforms, whether you're a crypto trader, a forex trader, or you trade on stocks. This is applicable to you all, especially you, the beginner. Now, let's go to the chart. The first thing that we should be looking out for is our directions. And on directions, we normally get our direction on a higher time frame. It can be on a daily, it can be on a 4 hours. I prefer going on a 4 hours because 4 hours is giving us is a strong trend, a strong time for traders to check their directions. I depend on 4 hours for my directions. Now let us assume that after checking the direction of on 4 hours and we are seeing a downtrend. This is what downtrend do look like. And we are seeing a downtrend movement on a 4 hours time frame. This is a downtrend on a 4 hours time on a 4 hours time frame, a downtrend. And coming down to lower time frames such as 1 hour and 15 minutes. And we are actually seeing a trend like this, a trend like this. And if you know this is actually an uptrend, this is actually an uptrend. That's all right. What you will do is you actually wait for price to come back to this swing low. Wait for the price to come back to this swing high. Actually, this is what you were expecting the price should do. Actually, will come back to this zone, to those zones to give you a confirmation. What confirmation are you looking for? Confirmation for a double top, a change of structure? Because right now you can't just enter for a sale right here. You can't just enter for a sale right here. Yes, we actually want to sell, but market on the lower time frame is not giving us a market on the lower time frame wasn't actually giving us a downtrend movement. Rather, it was giving us a an uptrend movement. What do we do? You will do simply actually wait for confirmations. Confirmations just like in as long as you have mapped out your zone whereby we are anticipating that price should pull down from there. You won't just rush to place your entry immediately. Wait for confirmations. Confirmation just like as simple as this. Price may come up here, give us another higher low. Now it may fail to take out this higher high. Price will now fail to take out this higher high, coming down to break the previous lower low. Now this is a confirmation that sellers have actually taken place, giving us what we call a change of character. Right here will now be our change of character. Right here will now be our change of character. What we now do is kindly go down, map out this zone for your entry. What you now be doing is I now be anticipating that price should come back to this zone to retest it and then pull down. That is just it. That is just how to actually make it so very simple and very neat. We were anticipating that price should come back to this zone to retest it and pull down. Now let us do a very nice analysis using a clear a clear chart. Or let me just show you example on the candle on a ray chart. Okay. Now 4 hours time frame. Normally we get our directions on a 4 hours time frame. What are we seeing here? We are seeing this is a downtrend. Market is obviously on a downtrend. And this is a zone that I was actually looking at for. This is a zone I was actually looking at for, whereby I'm anticipating the price should react from that zone. As you can see right, the name is I'm anticipating the price should actually react react from this zone. Quite all right. But I didn't just rush to actually place my entry right there. What I now do is I go to a lower time frame, which is 1 hour. Go to a lower time frame, which is a 1 hour. Now this is the same thing that I showed you that is happening right here. This is the same thing that I showed you that happened right here. Market on the 1 hour time frame, market was now giving me a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, up to this level. I wasn't seeing any opportunity to sell right here. There was no opportunity to sell right here. I keep calm. I was waiting for price to get to my point of interest, my point of interest. And when price did, I didn't just rush. I didn't just rush to make an entry. I was waiting for confirmation. I was actually waiting for confirmation because price can actually continue its up move without even respecting this zone. Price can actually continue its up move without respecting this zone. I was waiting for my entry. When price give make a higher high, a higher low, this is another higher high, another higher low, and of course creating another higher high. Then price now come down with a very big momentum to take out this higher low. This was the confirmation that I was actually looking at for. This was the confirmation that was I was actually anticipating to happen right here, giving me a change of character. This is signifies that sellers have taken place. It's time to sell. Remember, the direction is downtrend, which means I'm looking forward to sell on this pair, ignoring all the whole noise that is happening right here. Even if I'm to enter for a buy right here, if I'm to enter for a buy right here, it is all is right here because price has actually gave us a change of character over here. So I was anticipating the price should actually come down here to this other block for me to enter for a buy, but price didn't. I didn't chase the trade. I ignored. I didn't chase it. I ignored. Here would have been a perfect entry. Price. This is a resistance. This is a resistance. Price finally actually breaks it. I was expecting the price should come and retest it and continue its up movement, but it didn't. I didn't I didn't I didn't chase the trade because actually the main direction of this trend is a downtrend. So whereby I'm looking forward to sell. I'm looking forward to sell. I was anticipating that when price get to my point of interest, I'm looking out for a reactions like a bearish hammer and engulfing chart patterns and multiple candlestick rejections. These are three signs that I'm expecting here. But unfortunately, price gave me the ultimate signal that shows that sellers have taken place, which is a change of character, breaking this recent lower low, breaking this recent higher low. Sorry. Now, that at the point market closed completely, and I mapped out the recent higher low that market broke and placed my entry right there, which means I'm expecting the price should come back to retest it and come back to retest it to continue it that move. Now, this is where actually you need to pay attention very, very well. If you check, this is my entry. Then where am I to place my stop loss? My stop loss should be right above the next high, because price can choose. Look at what price may do here. Let me show you. Okay, this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, change of character. Price can price might choose to come here to retest this zone and go down. Another thing, price can choose to come right all the way back here, either a fair value gap or an order block. Price can choose to come all the way up here to give us to mitigate the high, either a fair value gap to close that imbalance, or to meet up with an order block in order to continue it that move. That is the main reason why my stop loss is right above this high, because whatever price choose to do at this place, in as long as it has given me a change of character, I won't be taken out. Whatever price choose to do around this place, it might give me a drawdown, a little bit of drawdown, but with patience, it will continue its movement. With this, with my stop loss space placed right above the next high, my number one, my stop loss have a breathing space. And number two, for market to take me out, it actually means that this was not actually a change of character, but rather a sweep of liquidity. I will take the loss and continue from there. But right now, as long as I'm concerned, the overall trend of this market is a downtrend, which means I'm looking for a sell opportunity. All right, I'm looking for a sell opportunity. This is why I place my entry right here, my stop loss above the next high, and my TP will be at the next level. The next level, which is this. Look at the next level here. The next level. Don't be greedy. The next level. This is a support. Here is a support. Here is my next. Here is my TP. And if you check very well, price came down here to hit my take profit. Now, when price actually comes to my entry to the test, it's giving me another another change, another break of structure. As you can see, this is another break of structure right here. And I pull down my stop loss close to my entry, making it 1:7 risk reward ratio. Massive profit. Massive profit. This is one of the most simplest strategy anybody can use. Whether you're a crypto trader, whether you're a forex trader, whether you trade on stock, it works for all these platforms. It works for all these platforms. And let me assume that maybe you didn't let her meet up entering here. Like I showed you earlier, market will always move in this direction. Market will always move in this direction. Now it have turned into a downtrend. It have moved in this direction. So if you miss the first one, you can actually join the second one. Now this is the first wing. This is the second one. Over here is the second one. For those that maybe you were not able to catch up with this first one, market now breaks and retest again. Here should be another short position, another short position, and your stop loss should be quite above the next high, quite above the next high. Your TP should be at the next level, at the next level. As you can see, this is 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. Especially this is for newbies, people that are new in this field. Follow the trend. Don't counter trend. It is very, very, very simple. Whatever market breaks, it will come back to retest, and it will come back to retest if there is presence of fair value gap and under block. Learn how to apply patience. Learn how to follow trends, and you will start making money on this trade. Okay. For simple, right? Of course it is, because it is one of the most simplest strategy anybody can adapt. We have totally come to the end of today's episode. Please do it to like, subscribe, so that this video can be recommended to those that actually need it. Now you stay tuned, because I'll be dropping you on an episode 2 another important simple strategy that can turn you into a profitable trader. Stay tuned. Bye.